In this video, we listed the 15 best car accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, JCover Center Console Hidden Box Organizer. The JCover Center Console Hidden Box Organizer is a practical and innovative accessory designed specifically for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models. This hidden storage solution enhances the vehicle's functionality by providing a discrete compartment within the armrest area, offering secure and organized storage for small items. Its patented design features a press-to-open and close mechanism, ensuring effortless operation while maintaining a sleek and seamless appearance. This organizer is perfect for individuals seeking a secret compartment for valuables or frequently used items, helping to declutter the main console area. Constructed with durability in mind, the hidden box organizer seamlessly integrates with the Toyota Tacoma's interior, maintaining the aesthetic appeal and functionality of the vehicle. Product 2. Product name, Apple CarPlay Screen. The Apple CarPlay Screen for car is a versatile 7-inch HD portable car stereo touch screen designed to enhance driving experiences by integrating cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. This device supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless smartphone connectivity for safe and convenient access to navigation, music, calls, and messages through voice control or intuitive touch interface. Key features include 7-inch HD touch screen, provides a clear and vibrant display for easy viewing of navigation, media, and phone controls. Backup camera support, enhances parking and reversing safety with a compatible camera. Voice control, allows hands-free operation via Siri or Google Assistant for safer driving. Mirror link, lets users mirror their smartphone screen onto the stereo display for additional functionality. Bluetooth connectivity, ensures smooth audio streaming and hands-free calling. Built-in GPS navigation, offers reliable and efficient route planning without requiring a smartphone connection. Product 3. Product name, Car Coat Hanger. The Car Coat Hanger is a versatile and practical accessory designed to enhance organization and convenience in your vehicle. It is mounted on the back seat headrest and serves as a reliable solution for hanging clothes, jackets, and suits to keep them wrinkle-free during travel. The hanger also accommodates other items such as purses and bags, making it a multi-purpose tool for maintaining a tidy car interior. Constructed from durable materials, the Car Coat Hanger is engineered to support various weights while ensuring stability. Its sleek and ergonomic design blends seamlessly with most vehicle interiors, and installation is quick and hassle-free. This accessory is particularly useful for professionals, commuters, and families, offering a way to manage items neatly while on the move. Product 4. Product name, Van-True N for 3-channel dashcam. The Van-True N for 3-channel dashcam is a premium, all-encompassing car camera system designed to provide comprehensive coverage and security for drivers. With advanced features and a robust design, it's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance dashcam. Key features: 3-way coverage. 4K plus 1080p, front and rear captures crystal clear 4K UHD footage in the front and 1080p Full HD in the rear. 1440p plus 1440p, front and inside ensures balanced high-definition recording of both the road ahead and the car's interior. 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, triple channel simultaneously records the front, rear, and cabin with high-quality clarity, providing 360 degrees coverage. IR night vision. Equipped with infrared night vision for the interior camera, ensuring sharp and detailed footage in low light or nighttime conditions. This makes it particularly suitable for rideshare drivers and those who need a cabin view. Product 5. Product name, Chico Fit 360 Convertible Car Seat. The Chico Fit 360 Cleartex rotating convertible car seat is a versatile and innovative car seat designed to enhance child safety and convenience. With its 360-degree rotation, It simplifies transitions between rear-facing and forward-facing positions, accommodating children as they grow. Key features include: Lever-lock self-tensioning lock system, ensures secure and effortless installation, providing peace of mind for parents. Cleartex fabric, a safer choice for babies, as it is free from added chemicals while maintaining premium quality and comfort. Ease of use, the rotating function makes it easier to position and secure your child without straining, reducing hassle during daily commutes or long trips. Product 6. Product name: Dual Coil 15W Car Phone Holder. The Dual Coil 15W Car Phone Holder is a multifunctional device that combines wireless charging with a secure phone mounting solution for your car. Designed for modern smartphones, it supports 15W fast wireless charging with a dual coil system, ensuring efficient charging without overheating or interruptions. Its robust build and automatic clamping mechanism make it a reliable accessory for everyday driving, catering to users of Samsung Galaxy Flip S24, S23, S22, S21, iPhone series, and other Qi-enabled devices. Key features: Dual coil technology enables a larger charging area, reducing the likelihood of disconnection or dead spots during use. Wireless charging provides up to 15W of power, ideal for quick charges during short commutes or long road trips. Auto-clamping mechanism automatically adjusts to secure your phone in place, ensuring stability on rough roads. Versatile mounting options can be mounted on your car's dashboard, vent, or windshield, offering flexible installation to suit various preferences. Product 7. Product name: Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro. The Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro, Mr. 6550, is a cutting-edge mobile hotspot that delivers exceptional speed, connectivity, and portability. Supporting 5G millimeter wave technology with speeds up to 8 gigabits per second, this unlocked device is compatible with AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, making it versatile for domestic use in the US. It also offers international roaming capabilities in 125 countries, catering to global travelers. Featuring Wi-Fi 6E, the Nighthawk M6 Pro ensures seamless connectivity from multiple devices with low latency and faster performance in crowded network environments. Its touch control interface enhances usability, providing an intuitive way to manage settings and monitor usage. As a portable modem and wireless router, the device is ideal for users who require reliable, high-speed internet on the go, whether for work, streaming, or gaming. Product 8. Product name: Salty Captain Ultimate for WD Car Cleaning Kit. The Salty Captain Ultimate for WD Car Cleaning Kit is a premium solution for maintaining the cleanliness and durability of 4x4 vehicles, designed to meet the needs of off-road enthusiasts. This comprehensive kit includes a 15L bucket, hand mitt towels, and for cleaning fluids, offering a complete cleaning system tailored for rugged vehicles exposed to challenging environments. Key features: 2-in-1 foam and flush gun, compatible with garden hoses. This tool provides effortless application of cleaning solutions, ensuring thorough coverage and efficient rinsing. 15L bucket, large enough to accommodate heavy-duty cleaning tasks while being portable for outdoor use. Hand mitt towels, soft yet effective, these towels help remove grime without scratching the vehicle's surface. For cleaning fluids, specially formulated to tackle dirt, mud, and grease, ensuring a deep clean for all surfaces. Product 9. Product name: Dog Car Seat Cover for Back Seat. The dog car seat cover for back seat is an essential accessory for pet owners who frequently travel or go camping with their furry companions. Designed for practicality and durability, this car seat cover offers a comprehensive solution to protect your car's interior while ensuring your dog's comfort and safety. Key features: hard bottom design. Provides extra stability and comfort for dogs, making it ideal for long journeys or uneven terrain during camping trips. Door protectors. Includes additional panels to safeguard car doors from scratches, dirt, and slobber, ensuring that the entire back seat area is shielded from damage. Waterproof and scratch-resistant material. Made from premium waterproof fabrics that prevent liquid spills, muddy paw prints, and pet hair from seeping through, while the scratch-resistant surface ensures durability. Universal fit. Compatible with most cars, SUVs, and trucks, the seat cover is easy to install and adjust, making it a versatile choice for pet owners with different vehicles. Product 10. Product name 21 cubic feet car roof cargo carrier. The 21 cubic feet car roof cargo carrier is a versatile and practical storage solution for travelers seeking additional space for their luggage. This carrier is designed for compatibility with vehicles both with and without roof racks, ensuring adaptability across a wide range of car models. Its standout feature is its 100% waterproof construction, which protects your belongings from rain, snow, and other adverse weather conditions during transit. The cargo carrier includes an anti-slip mat, enhancing stability by preventing the bag from shifting during travel. For secure attachment, it comes with 6 door hooks and 6 durable straps, ensuring a firm hold even on long or rough journeys. Additionally, the inclusion of a luggage lock offers peace of mind by securing the carrier's contents against theft. Product 11. Product name Nmois Windshield Sunshade Umbrella. The Nmois Windshield Sunshade Umbrella is an innovative and practical solution for protecting your car's interior from sun damage and excessive heat. This medium-sized sunshade, 56-inch LX31W, features a durable vinyl coating, which blocks harmful UV rays and reduces the temperature inside the car. Its spring structure edge ensures an easy setup and secure fit across most car windshields, making it a convenient accessory for daily use. By shielding the vehicle's interior from the intense sunlight, the Nmois umbrella helps preserve the dashboard, seats, and other surfaces, preventing fading and cracking caused by prolonged exposure to the sun. It also keeps the car cooler, making it more comfortable to drive, especially in hot weather. This umbrella-style sunshade offers a compact and foldable design, ensuring that it is easy to store when not in use, and is a valuable tool for maintaining the quality and comfort of your vehicle, aligning with the needs of car owners looking to protect their investment. Product 12. Product name NOCO Boost Plus GB40. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is a versatile and powerful portable car battery jump starter designed to provide a reliable solution for automotive emergencies. With a peak current of 1000 amps, it is capable of jump-starting gasoline engines up to 6.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and boats. Its ultra-safe technology ensures safety by preventing common issues like sparks, reverse polarity, and overcharging, offering peace of mind during use. In addition to its jump-starting capabilities, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 doubles as a portable charger with USB ports, enabling users to charge devices such as smartphones, tablets, and other electronics on the go. It also comes with jumper cables, making it easy to connect to your vehicle's battery for a quick and safe jump start. The compact design and lightweight build ensure that it is easy to store in your vehicle, making it a handy accessory for both routine driving and emergency situations. Product 13. Product name iPad Holder Car Headrest. The iPad Holder Car Headrest is a versatile and adjustable tablet mount designed to enhance the backseat experience for both adults and kids during long road trips. This 2024 model features a stretchable arm that accommodates tablets ranging from 4.7 to 11 inches, including popular devices like the iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and Samsung Tab. It securely attaches to the car headrest, providing a convenient hands-free viewing experience for passengers in the backseat. Perfect for keeping children entertained during travel, this mount allows easy adjustments to ensure optimal viewing angles and comfort. Its adjustable design ensures a snug fit for various tablet models, while its durable construction makes it reliable for frequent use. Whether for watching movies, gaming, or reading, this holder transforms road trips into a more enjoyable experience by offering a stable and ergonomic setup for in-car tablet use. Product 14. Product name Portable Ozone Generator. A portable ozone generator is a versatile device that uses ozone, O, to purify air and eliminate odors in various environments. Ideal for use in homes, rooms, offices, and even during outdoor activities like hunting, it serves multiple functions, including removing musty smells, cigarette odors, pet odors, and even neutralizing harmful bacteria or viruses. This particular model, often equipped with a timer, allows for controlled operation, enabling users to set it for specific durations. This makes it a convenient solution for users seeking a quick cleanup without constant supervision. It is especially helpful for people with sensitive noses or those wanting to maintain a fresh, odor-free environment in both personal and work spaces. Product 15. Product name Govee Smart Car LED Strip Lights. The Govee Smart Car LED Strip Lights offer an exciting way to enhance the interior ambience of your vehicle. With RGBIC technology, these LED lights provide a full spectrum of color options, totaling 16 million hues, allowing for a highly customizable lighting experience. The lights come with 4 dynamic music modes, syncing the lights to the beat of your favorite tunes for a fun, interactive driving experience. Additionally, 30 scene options let you choose from preset themes that suit various moods, whether you're looking for a calming effect or a more vibrant, energetic atmosphere. These smart lights feature app control, making it easy to adjust colors, brightness, and effects directly from your smartphone.